Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Today inshallah we will continue our lesson, the urinary system. But first, for those who don't know me, I am Miss Maryham, science and chemistry teacher. So hurry up and like our Facebook page, like for this video, subscribe for our channel and activate the bell. Okay, we are going to know some more details about the urinary system, like its structure, its locations, and so on. So, let's start. Urinary system lies in the abdominal cavity near the backbone. Its functions: 1. It filters blood from excess salts, urea, uric acid, and other waste materials. 2. It expels these wastes outside the body in the form of urine. Do you remember what is the name of urea and uric acid together? Urea and uric acid. Yes, they are called nitrogenous wastes. Okay, let's continue. And about its structure, urinary system consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Again, repeat after me: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So, again, urinary system lies in the abdominal cavity near the backbone. It has 2 functions, which are: it filters blood from wastes and expels these wastes in the form of urine. So, it's time to know the organs and their functions. First, artery and vein. Artery, it carries blood containing nitrogenous wastes to the 2 kidneys, while vein, it carries the pure blood, which it is filtered by the 2 kidneys to the heart, which pumps it to the other body parts. So, as we took before in the circulatory system, that all arteries take blood from the heart to all body parts, which here is to the kidneys, while veins, all the veins take blood from the body parts to the heart. So here, take blood from the kidneys to the heart. Now we are going to start with the most important organs of the urinary system, which are the 2 kidneys. They are pin-shaped, located on both sides of the backbone. Their functions: filtering blood from urea, uric acid, excess salts, and other waste materials, and getting rid of these wastes in form of urine. The same as the functions of the urinary system. The next organs, the 2 ureters. They are 2 narrow tubes, 2 small tubes that connect the 2 kidneys to the urinary bladder. Their functions: they transfer the urine from the 2 kidneys to the urinary bladder. So, we can conclude this part as the 2 kidneys are pin-shaped, located on both sides of the backbone. Their functions: filtering blood from wastes and getting rid of these wastes in the form of urine. And about the 2 ureters, they are 2 narrow tubes, 2 small tubes that transfer urine from the 2 kidneys to the urinary bladder. It's time to know more about the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, it is a balloon-like sac that receive the urine from the two ureters. Its function, it stores urine temporarily until it is released outside the body through urethra. Then, the last organ is urethra. It is a tube which extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside the body. Its function, it allows urine to pass outside the body. So again, urinary bladder is like a balloon that receives urine from the two ureters and stores it for a short time. Then, the urine passes outside the body through the urethra. By the way, temporarily means short time. Okay, let's label this figure. 1. Yes, the kidneys. 2. Yes, urethra. 3. Super, the two ureters. The last organ is, yes, urinary bladder. So, I will tell all the function of the organs as a story. The two kidneys receive blood from arteries and then filter it. They produce urine that passes through the ureters. The urine reaches to the urinary bladder, which stores it for a short time until it passes outside the body through urethra. Okay, we are going to know some important notes. 1. Urine is a fluid of harmful waste which is produced by the two kidneys. Don't forget that urine is a fluid. 2. Urine consists of excess water containing excess salts, urea, and uric acid. Urine consists of excess water as it is a fluid. 3. Each kidney contains about 1 million minute tubule that filter blood from harmful wastes. Oh no, 1 million! Yes, the kidney contains 1 million small tubes to filter the blood. 4. Blood containing harmful wastes enters the kidneys through an artery, while the pure blood leaves kidneys through a vein that carry blood to the heart. It's too important. Blood enters the kidneys through an artery, while pure blood leaves kidneys through a vein. The last note is the body can get rid of some excess salts and some other excretory products by secreting sweat. So now let's solve some questions. 1. Human urinary system consists of, say with me, 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. 2. The human urinary system lies in space cavity. Yes. abdominal cavity. 3. The urinary system filters blood from, of course, wastes. 4. Wastes are expelled outside the body in the form of, yes, urine. 5. The function of the two kidneys is, while that of the two ureters is. Think a little bit. Yes, the function of the two kidneys is filtering the blood, while that of the two ureters is transferring the blood. Six. Space is a balloon-like sac. Yes, urinary bladder. Okay, what happens if there is no urinary bladder? Yes, the body can't store the urine. 2. There are no sweat glands in the skin. Do you remember from the first video? Yes, the body can't secrete sweats. Okay, now how to keep your urinary system healthy. 1. Drink suitable amounts of clear water, especially in summer. 2. Eat balanced healthy food that is low in salts. 3. Keep away from irrigation canals and avoid urinating in them. Keep away from irrigation canals and avoid and don't urinate on them. Why? Give reason to avoid Schistosomiasis disease, bloody urine disease. Again, repeat after me. Schistosomiasis, Schistosomiasis, Schistosomiasis disease, which is bloody urine. 4. Don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for long periods, because this affects the function of kidneys. So, to keep your urinary system healthy, you have to 1. Drink suitable amounts of water. 2. Eat balanced, healthy food. 3. Keep away from irrigation canals and avoid urinating in them. 4. Don't keep urine in the urinary bladder for long periods. Okay, let's solve some questions. Give a reason for. Sweat has salty taste. Yes, as it contains excess salts dissolved in excess water. 2. You must not urinate in the irrigation canals. Do you remember the name of the disease? Yes, to avoid Schistosomiasis disease. and you may said bloody urine. Write the scientific term. Number 1, the two organs that clarify the body from cell waste. By the way, clarify means filter. Yes, two kidneys. 2, the fluid that produced by the kidneys and contain harmful substances. Fluid produced by the kidneys. Yes, urine. The last question, the tube that extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside the body. Extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside. Yes, urethra. We have finished. So, thank you for watching, and I hope that you all get benefit. So if you like the video, don't forget to like our Facebook page, like for this video, subscribe for our channel, and activate the bell. Bye bye.